In this video, I am going to give you 5 effective marketing strategies for Printify products. To successfully market your Printify products and grow your online business, it's essential to employ strategic and focused marketing techniques. Here's a more detailed guide on how to market your Printify products effectively. 1. Understand your target audience. The foundation of any successful marketing strategy is a deep understanding of your target audience. Identifying and analyzing the specific group of people most likely to purchase your products is crucial. Consider the following aspects to define your target audience. Demographics like age, gender, education level, and income bracket. Interests and preferences like hobbies, lifestyle choices, and ideal customers thinking. Pain points. Identify specific problems or needs that your products can solve for your customers. 2. Craft a strong brand identity. A compelling brand identity is vital for differentiating your product in the marketplace, and here's how you can build a strong brand. Your logo should be memorable and reflective of your brand's ethos. Share the story behind your brand and the values that drive it. This emotional connection can significantly enhance customer loyalty and brand affinity. Ensure that all of your branding elements are consistent across various platforms, from your Printify store to your social media profiles. 3. Stay updated with trends. Keeping abreast with the latest trends within your niche and the broader market can provide insights into your product, opportunities, and marketing strategies. Here's how to stay on top of trends. Market research. Regularly conduct market research to understand emerging trends and consumer preferences. Social media. Use social media platforms to follow influencers and thought leaders in your niche. Be ready to adapt your product offerings and marketing strategies to align with your current trends. 4. Leverage data for insights. Data analytics can offer valuable insights into your customers' behavior, preferences, and the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. Here's how you can use data to your advantages. Track and analyze. Use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to track the performance of your marketing campaigns and understand customer interactions. This one is important. Customer feedback. Regularly gather and analyze customer feedback to identify areas of improvement and to understand what your consumer value most. Use the insights gained from data analysis to refine your marketing strategies, focusing on what works best for your audience. Finally, 5. Authenticity and quality. In a market flooded with options, authenticity and quality can set your brand apart. And here's how to ensure these elements are at the front of your marketing. Offer products that are authentic and resonate with your brand's identity. Make them unique. Ensure the products you offer are of high quality. Satisfied customers are most likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your brand to others. Also, be transparent about your products, including materials, manufacturing processes, and shipping times. By following these strategies, you can effectively market your Printify products, build a loyal customer base, and grow your online business. So, what are you waiting for? Start your Printify business now. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.